I am Sasha from Ace Vacuums. Today I am going to talk about Sebo K2 canister vacuum, what's in the box and how to use it. What comes in the box with the Sebo K2? When you unpack your Sebo K2, you'll find the main canister unit, featuring its signature protective bumper, a flexible hose, a telescoping metal wand, and the combination floor tool. How do you attach the hose to the canister? To connect the hose, firmly push the circular end into the opening on the top front of the canister until it clicks securely into place. How do you assemble the wand and attach the floor tool? The hose handle easily slides into the top of the telescoping wand. It has a convenient release button to detach it. You can extend the wand by pushing the adjustment button on the wand itself. To attach the floor tool, simply insert the bottom of the wand into the neck of the tool until it clicks. The floor tool can also be detached quickly with a push of a button.
Where are the power and cord retract buttons located? The power button and the button to retract the power cord are conveniently located right on the top of the canister. The power button also serves as a suction control dial, allowing you to adjust the power depending on what you are cleaning. How does the floor tool adjust for different floor types? The combination floor tool has a foot pedal on top. Pressing it lowers or raises a brush strip. You want to use it with the brush strip down for hard floors and up for cleaning carpets or area rugs. How do you access and replace the filters? Press the latch near the hose connection to lift the entire top cover of the canister. To replace the exhaust filter, lift out the rectangular filter located directly under the cover. To replace the bag and pre-motor filter, remove the full bag by sliding the green plastic collar out of its track.
The pre-motor filter is right behind the bag. Slide it out, replace it with a fresh one, and then slide in a new bag until it clicks. Ensure the bag is properly seated before securely closing the cover. Where is the best place to buy a Sebo K2 or get it serviced in the VA, DC, and MD area? Visit your local authorized Sebo dealer, Ace Vacuums. We serve the entire DMV, Virginia, Washington, D.C., and Maryland, with expert sales, genuine parts, and authorized warranty repairs. Skip the big box stores and come test drive the Sebo K2 on our showroom floor today.